Yeah, hi everyone. So last session we started Sling models, right? I can open my notepad and then see. So last session we started about the Sling models. Okay. So Sling model is the Sling API, which is the one of the RESTful web framework created inside the AEM architecture, and it is which is responsible to map the request to resource. And Sling models you can adapt in two ways. One is resource dot class, and the second one is resource dot class, and second one is Sling HTTP servlet request dot class. Sling HTTP servlet request dot class, and we discussed about a few of the annotations as well. At the rate model and at the rate named, at the rate inject, at the rate value map value, at the rate OGS service, and at the rate self annotation. And in the last session also we written one of the program, right? I can open my AEM instance and then we can see. I would go to my, yeah, this is the backend Java program which we written in the last session. June batch, go to the core module and digital model. So this is the scenario number one. What I did actually, so there are three variables I taken, and I injected those variables from there to here by using value map value, and I am getting those values by using getter methods. But in case of Sling models, implementing through class is not recommended approach. This is not recommended approach. Okay, so whenever we are writing the Sling models, we need to write the interface. Through the interface only we can achieve the Sling models. But through class you can get the results, but this is not recommended approach. Through interface is the recommended approach. Okay, the same program what I do today, I can take the interface and I can use the interface. Based on the interface I can implement the Sling models. So I am removing these methods, and this is the class now, and here I would like to create the interface. So simply I am going with the models module, and then where actually I would like to, there is a Java and I am creating the interface. Okay, and here I can mention digital m is the class name, and this is the implementation class. Okay, this is the implementation class, and this is the interface. So interface, what is interface? Interface contain abstract methods only, right? Already which we discussed in the Java. You like it or don't like it, interface contain abstract methods only. Interface contain abstract methods only. Now here also it is having abstract methods. Now here I am taking any methods. Like there are how many variables we have? There are four variables. I can take four methods. I can take four methods. Like I would say, public methods are, first method is returning two strings, one integer and one date. So same way I can take here as well. Here as well. Okay. So string method name is article text get article text. Okay. Next string get article description, and next we have int get article number, and next I would say date get article date. Are you guys clear with my statements what I'm doing? So last session we implemented the Sling models by using class. Class is also not recommended, and we can implement the Sling model by using interface. Okay, so I taken there are four methods. You like it or don't like it, these methods can contain abstract methods only. These are the four methods, and these four methods contain abstract methods only. This is the interface, no? So interface contain abstract methods that you can implement in implementation class. Now digital model is the class, and so that those methods I can implement from there to here. Implements, the class name is digital M. The class name is digital M, and simply click on that bulb symbol. You can get override unimplemented methods. These are the methods. These are the methods. So here what I would do, I am removing these things, and I am overriding all the methods. What is method overriding? It is the process of writing same method signature in both parent and child is called method overriding. Here also I am doing the method overriding. Okay, so here I would like to return the value. This is the text, and next one is text area, right? Text area, and third one is article number, return article number, and fourth one is return date. This is clear, right? So last session I implemented by using only class, but basically uh, at the time of recommended approach is through interface. Okay, so we can take the interface and we can take the methods, override the methods, and those methods it has to return the variables. It has to return the variables, and this I can deploy, and then we can read the values. So there is a components. So here you can import component from there to here. There is an import from AEM server, and once import has completed, and there is a digital.html, you can open that one. Yeah, now I can deploy this entire project. There are two ways to deploy. Normal, you can go to the project and go to your project, and here open command prompt, and then you can do the complete project deployment. I haven't clean installed -p auto install single package single package. I will see. Build success. Now I would like to go to my AEM CRXT, and where I can I would like to open localhost 4502 AEM start.html, and again I would go to tools. There is a options here actually. I want to go digital.html, and this is the methods, and now the methods has changed, right, because of interface. So I'm giving the digital. Yeah, these are the methods. You can copy these methods and go to here, and then you can give the method names here. And same way you can do with respect to remaining as well. Get article description. I'm saving this, copying this one, and here also I'm doing the same thing. Then next part we have article number as well. I'm copying the number, and here also I'm doing the same thing. So all are getter methods. Then that is the reason I'm not mentioning all the times as the getter article date. And here also I would like to mention article number, and here also I can mention article description, and here also I can mention article text. These are the method names. I'm saving this one. Now I would like to go to the page. There is a sites page. Try to other the component, digital component. This is the digital component, right? Try to author the component. So see, when you author the values are not coming. So we have to verify why the values is not coming. Model.java, digital model, class name is also digital model. Article text is the method names. Get article text and article description. Article number and article date. Go and then check in the interface as well. There is an interface. Digital M is the interface. In the interface, I taken there are 4 methods, and I overridden. I'm overriding. So we need to save the files. I thought we did not save it actually. We need to save the files. Now do the deployment once again. Open command prompt and save the file and do the deployment. Now go to EN page, reload the EN page. See here, the data is coming. Okay, this is the recommended approach. I hope you guys are clear what I'm saying. Any queries in this area? So I did the Sling models using interface. This is the only the recommended approach. Okay, so for understanding purpose, so scenario number one, I taken as the class and then I implemented and then I did. In the scenario number two, I would say interface, and through interface is the recommended approach. Through interface is the recommended approach. Through interface is the recommended approach. I hope you guys are clear, right? Clear or not? This is clear. And this is resource dot class is the, if you want to read any, if you want to inject the CRXT data towards the HTML, then there is a resource dot class. And there is some global objects. Normally, if you look for the global objects, then you can get the global objects in HTML. You can get the complete list of the global objects. Complete list of the global objects. For example, see here, these all are global objects, meaning these all are predefined classes and all. So see here, value map, and the variable name is the properties and page properties. So based on the different requirement, we will use these global objects as well. We will use global objects as well. If I want to inject these global objects, then we need to use Sling HTTP servlet request class. Sling HTTP servlet request class. So these are the different classes and all, like reader, resource resolver, request reader, resource design, resource page response, string, okay, WCM mode, API. These are the different predefined classes. Different predefined classes. Okay. Now, so I can go with any one of the global object, and then we can see uh, how we can inject and all. So as of now, I would like to take this page. I want to know the page title and all, and for that purpose, I want to inject this page class. Then, if you want to inject the global object, then there is the annotation script variable. Script variable is the annotation. Mention script variable is the annotation, and where you can mention page equal to. So when you look for the page, it will give the suggestions. From that, you have to go with W. Why only this one? So see what the class name it is having. That based on that, you have to import current page. Okay, and I want to inject, and for that also I want to take one method here, and the method is, I would like to take the string and get page information is the method. Get page information is the method name I am taking. Okay, so this method I can override that method here. There is a method I override get page information, and here this method has to return. So this variable current page dot get a title, get page title and everything. There are number of, like, if you want to get page title, these many options will be there. Get page title. Simply click on that one. And here also you can mention Sling HTTP server request class. I want to use both of them. So in that case, take curly braces, and inside the curly braces you can keep resource start class, resource dot class, and Sling HTTP server request class. Sling HTTP servlet request dot class. Request dot class. Okay. I hope you guys are clear. If you want to inject the global objects, then you have to take this one. Without this one, so this will not work. This will not work. If you want to inject the global objects, then make sure you have to import the Sling HTTP servlet request class. Sling HTTP servlet request. Now this we can deploy and then we'll see like this is working or not. We'll see. Open terminal and take the terminal. Then you can go to command prompt. You can do the deployment. I mean clean install -b auto install single package. Before that you can override as well. I mean you can import the all the data as well. Now you can do manual clean install -b auto install single package. Here and then you can do the deployment. And I would like to copy the method name. This is the method name. And I want to go localhost 4502 CRXD, and that I want to reload this one. And here, after this, I want to mention div page title equal to slightly expression, and inside modal dot method name get page information, and that we can close this one. Okay, so I am saving this one and go to EN page and reload the page. Now we'll see the data is coming down. So see, the page title is June. So how the June is coming? This June is coming because of second approach. Because of second approach. So in your case, you can try without Sling HTTP server request class. This is working or not. You can try one by one like that. Okay. So I hope you guys are clear. Resource.class and Sling HTTP server request class. resource.class, which is the one way to read the CST data, and we have another one that is Sling HTTP server request class. And a Sling HTTP server request class for straightforward objects. If you want to inject global objects towards the HTML, or we can read the front end HTML request towards the HTML also, we will use Sling HTTP servlet request class. Sling HTTP servlet request class as well. I hope you guys are clear. And next there is a annotation that is called @named annotation, right? So sometimes, so Java will not allow some symbols. For example, if you come to here, uh, JCR created, okay? In the JCR created, this is the key. In this key, they used east symbol, right? JCR east created. So according to the Java rules, Java only allow two special characters. One is the dollar, second one is the underscore. So apart from those two, it will not allow other special characters. If you see here, east is the some special character, right? So Java will not allow this east symbol. So in that case, what we can do? We can use @named annotation. @named annotation. For example, here I can go here. I want to inject. So here also I would like to take the other method. I am going to the interface level, and here also I would like to take the method name that is string get JCR created. This is normal method name, guys. Method name can take anything, right? Get JSR created. Okay, and save this file. Go to digital model dot there as well. Here you can override. Before override, we can take value map value, and string. The variable name is JCR created. See here, it is throwing the error here. It is throwing the error here. So in that case, what we can do, there is a annotation called @named annotation. @named annotation. Named annotation. So here we can mention value equal to JCR created, and here we can mention any other name. Okay, we can mention any other name. Now I can save this one, and we can override the method. Now the method has to return the name, that is Krishna. So that's it. Okay. So the thing is, Java will not allow the some special characters. So some cases, if you want to inject the special characters, where actually we can use the @named annotation. @named annotation. This we can deploy, and then we can get the data of. We can get the data of this one also. We can get the data of text. This one also. JSON created and all. So this also what I will do. This you can deploy and then see. Okay, build success. Now go to there and copy this entire code. See here, JSR created, data is coming. JSR created, data is coming. I hope you guys are clear. So at the rate at the rate named is the annotation which is used to change the injection name. This is the injection variable, right? So what I am doing, so here I am changing the injection variable name. I am changing the injection variable name, and there are two ways to adapt the Sling model. One is the resource dot class, and second one is the Sling HTTP servlet request dot class. Resource dot class is for reading the global CRST data towards the HTML, and next we have the Sling HTTP servlet request dot class, which is for injecting the global objects or front end data towards the backend. We will use the Sling HTTP servlet request dot class, and there is a name annotation which is used to inject like some other symbols will not Java will not allow the some other symbols. So in that case, what actually we did, we can change the injectable variable. Okay, so these are the annotations. So today we'll see like how the multi-field will work and nested multi-field. So these are all the areas we'll see tomorrow. Okay. So today what you guys will do, you can practice with this one. And also you guys have anybody tried with this, what is the purpose of default injection strategy? So you guys do one more thing, deploy without default injection strategy and observe what are the changes is coming, and add a default injection strategy and observe what are the changes are coming. Okay. So today your assignment is implement the Sling model using interface and by using resource dot class and Sling HTTP server request dot class. That is one thing. And second one is the purpose of named annotation as well. And third thing is, so try with without a default injection strategy and with a default injection strategy. Okay. So this is your assignment you can do, and then you can upload in the search portal. Okay. So I hope you guys are